Mimi, you are my best friend and the greatest thing that has ever happened to me. I cannot imagine my life without you. I fell in love with you because of your devotion to the things that are right, your passion for caring, and your large heart.
Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other, to accept the other person in his or her entirety as a companion, a lover, and a friend.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you because of the laughter we share together and the way you lift me up. When we are apart, it becomes clear how much of a better person you make me, and I miss you deeply when we are.
Mimi, Jordan, here we are at your wedding. I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the mountains, the glacier, this incredible view. Today, you will proclaim your love for each other, and the words spoken here will be the cornerstone for your future life together.
Jordan, it's really hard to sum up all that you mean to me, but I'm gonna try. When I reflect back on the history of our relationship, I'm so amazed by all the seemingly insignificant choices that have brought us to this point.
I promise to always be your partner regardless if it is island hopping in the South Pacific, walks along the boardwalk just outside our front door, or even just to help wrangle the cats whenever necessary. Mimi, I vow to be faithful, loving, and fully supportive of everything you want to accomplish in this world. I'm so excited to be along for this journey.
I promise to always be open and honest with you, to trust you fully. Even when you say things like, there's no leeches here. And I promise to be patient, forgiving, and supportive, and to keep growing with you. Lastly, I promise to be a partner in all situations life has in store for us.
As you, Mimi, and you, Jordan, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Someday I'll find home, the picture in my mind, a place where I can go, and you'll be always mine, always mine.
You're an extraordinary human being who has graced my life with magic, generosity, and love. And I can't believe we get to keep going.